I just woke up. We're gonna do live day trading today. So market just opened. Don't mind my hair, bro. I literally just woke up. Market just opened. Looks like we have these highs up here, 4-hour highs. These highs up here. Let's look at the 1 hour. We just came here and swept these highs. These lows down here. And now we're making these lows. These highs up here. Oh, those right there. So we just swept previous day lows. Right here. Just swept them and swept all this liquidity. So we're going higher now. We have this liquidity here. And we're going to target London high over here. It's just a clear draw on liquidity right here. I could open on this one, right? We got break of structure already. Now we would just look for an entry. We could have gotten in like right here, but that was before market open, so. If we get another break of structure, we might be going in. On ES, we did not sweep here, stay low. But we also have all these highs up here. We have London session up here. And then we have these lows down here. What we could do is wait for that break of structure and then wait for a fair value gap for it to come back. For it to come back too, and then from there. Yeah, it's clear longs. It's clear longs, even though here it I swept these, and then we have equal low, relatively equal lows here. Shit, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna come back up here. Don't know if it's gonna come here, sweep these highs, and then from there dump to catch these, since ES hasn't caught them yet. Which I might be doing that, to be honest. Because we got that 5-minute break of structure, but also we're waking off. If we sweep this liquidity here and then show signs that it wants to go lower, we'll probably do that. Because it might just be going to equilibrium, it might just be rebalancing. Or we have, because we have that Asia session, London session manipulation, New York reversal. We are in equilibrium right now. Let's look at the extension. All right, we just swept those highs. There's a Bayes SMT. big ass SMT from here to here. And here to here as well. And then for news, we didn't have anything except news at A15 for which was NFP. Oh, wait, no, but NFE, yeah, not NFP, sorry. I mean, you could have gone in at that breaker structure, but I'm just kind of waiting for something to happen still. I don't know, to be honest. I think I'm just gonna wait it out for a bit to see kind of how it plays out. I do think it's gonna go lower though. Which it looks like it might. Alright, I like these moves down. I think I'm just gonna wait for a retrace into this fair value gap over here. What a retrace there. Stops here. Stops there. And then target this liquidity down here. We have all these low resistance liquidity, which is basically just this one down here. Alright, depending on this candle close, I'll go in. How many contracts is that? 21, I'll do what, like 3? 3 for now. I'll wait for this candle close. It looks so weird on NQ though. Like, look at NQ, MNQ. On MNQ, it tapped into that fair value gap. Not on NQ though. But on NQ, on ES, we're getting that breaker structure. So you know what? I might go in. Order filled. Oh shit. That is not what I meant to do at all. Oh, bro, what am I doing? I had it wrong. I put 3 contracts on normal ES, which is not what I meant to do. Damn it, bro. Thank you. I mean, I would have gotten stopped out regardless. Is that not the draw, or like what's going on here? Are we longing? We could, oh shit. We could be longing to these highs, potentially. I guess I was right in the beginning. I might as well just do ES to the London highs, which are all the way over here. I need to come down to this for like gap, to be honest, but it won't come back probably. Alright, what am I doing? So we swapped A shallows. Yeah, it's going higher. What the fuck am I thinking? I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna need it for it to come back. Okay. Alright, let's see. We're gonna wait for the rejection off of that. Alright, we're in. What price did I get in? Bro, it's always that. It's always a fucking the worst. There's actually no way. 22779. I might even go in on ES too, I'm not gonna lie. I like how ES is moving. ES is just kind of dropping. Is there like any other targets that I can do? I guess the only one's previously high, but I don't think we're gonna go to that one. If I'm being honest with you. Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta go do something. Alright, this is after the trade. As you guys can see, it hit final TP. No problem after this for rally gap here. What I could have done better is actually waited for a breaker structure. So I could have waited for this breaker structure here. Would have given me a better risk to reward ratio and even more confirmation. On ES, this is a trade that I could have taken. It's that same candle again. However, this one inverts the fair value gap, so Um, that's that. I am in my house in my living room. It's my cat stuff over there. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's kind of a mess because I'm still kind of moving in. But there she is. But yeah. Here's the trade, full TP. Let's see how much I made. Hold on one second. Oh shit. I made like 600 and something. Well, not really, because I lost the first 100 when I misclicked. I had a misclick on that, but yeah, 500 bucks today. Um, yeah, this is how it's looking so far. I'm still down a bit. Move. I'm still down a bit on this week, but we still got tomorrow and Friday. For those, let me see the news that we have. Hold on. Okay, we have NFE again, and then we have PMI at 10 and unemployment claims. We have quite a lot of news. I probably will trade that. I'm not gonna trade Friday because it's NFP, but yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. I just kind of wanted to do like a recap of like the actual trade. Um, so yeah, I hit final TP. Good. We're still basically halfway through the account. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna put this part in the other one. I'm gonna put this part next to the other one so that it could be like it'll just be cut short a little bit. Cause I left because I had some things to do. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.